this!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the second annual World Burrito Eating Championship, being presented by Illegal Pete's. This contest pits the best burrito eaters in the world against each other in a battle of digestible fortitude. The competition is officially sanctioned by Major League Eating, the world body that oversees professional eating contests across all varieties of food disciplines, including crawfish, peeps, chili, and most notably, hot dogs. Of course, the Nathan's Famous Hot Dog Eating Contest happens every 4th of July in Coney Island, New York, with many of the same faces that you will see here tonight. Coming to the stage in a few moments will be the greatest eaters who have ever lived. Major League Eating's weapons of mass consumption. Now, the burritos these athletes will be consuming tonight aren't just any old burrito. Founded in 1995, Pete Turner opened the first Illegal Pete's in Boulder with the goal of serving fresh and tasty burritos with locally grown ingredients while creating a unique countercultural atmosphere. 21 years later, with 9 locations in 2 states, and most recently a new East Colfax location, Illegal Pete's has become a front-range favorite. These Illegal Pete's burritos that are about to be devoured weigh 12 ounces each, and they're actually half of an Illegal Pete's standard burrito. Starting with all-natural white tortillas, a scoop of white rice, add black beans, antibiotic and hormone-free pork carnitas, and top it off with freshly made pico de gallo and shredded cheese. The ravenous competitors will eat as many Illegal Pete's burritos as they can in 10 minutes. Whoever eats the most will be declared the winner and take home the first place prize of $2,500. Last year, Joey Chestnut, one of the world's most prolific eaters of all time, and an 8-time Nathan's Hot Dog champion, narrowly edged out Mickey Sudo for the victory in his competition by consuming 14.5 pounds of Illegal Pete's burritos, setting a new world record. He'll need to be at his best again as he faces an elite field here tonight. The field that will be pushing Chestnut to the limit will be Adrian Morgan, ranked number 5 in the world from New Orleans, Louisiana. Ranked 7th in the world, Michelle Lesko from Tucson, Arizona. Yasir Salem from New York, holding a ranking of number 11. And the top-ranked Colorado eater and local hero, Josh Miller from Aurora, Colorado, ranking 32nd in the world. We await the Supreme Justice. Will rebuy the Almighty to uphold the weak and rise up the fear apart. This is the World Burrito Eating Championship presented by Illegal Pete's. There's no bigger stage in all the world. Now, brothers and sisters, in the hour in which glory calls, only the bravest are left standing to answer. In this Coliseum of competitive eating, atop this Mount Sinai of mastication, in this Sanctum Sanctorum of salivation, Denver, I have 4 words for you. The sweetest 4 words in the English language, and they are, let the contest begin.
Yeah! Let's go.
Are you ready, Outlaws fans?
Yeah!
Let's eat some burritos and bring out our first competitor. Our first competitor claims to have once eaten an entire tub of chestnut-flavored ice cream and 3 pounds of chestnut puree. A man who lives by the mantra, you are what you eat. So because he is chestnut obsessed, he is either a world-class eater or a very popular holiday snack. Ladies and gentlemen, from Denver, Colorado, Joshua Khalil. He's someone that you know very well, Outlaws fans, a man who's enjoying his 3rd season in Denver, dominating the midfield. Ladies and gentlemen, because I am a former lacrosse player, seriously, stop laughing at me, I actually am a former lacrosse player. This next competitor and I are very close. We understand each other on a deeper level. Some may even call us spirit animals, but you know to call him Denver Outlaws, number 12, Noah Molnar! On this Memorial Day weekend, we are proud to welcome this man of service to the ranks of the World Burrito Eating Championship. And besides an impressive resume in the Air Force, he once ate breakfast, lunch, and dinner at Illegal Pete's. Why, you ask? Why not? Illegal Pete's is awesome, and because he felt like it. Ladies and gentlemen, First Lieutenant in the Air Force, Benjamin Parminer.
A local Denverite making his MLE debut here tonight. He claims to have eaten 4 bowls of oatmeal in under a minute.
4 bowls of oatmeal, ladies and gentlemen. That means he had to wait at least 20 minutes to start eating. And he burned his mouth at least 5.5 times. So let's give him the respect that he deserves. From Denver, Colorado, Mark Southerberg.
Here's another Colorado native, one who has actually consumed 4 pounds of pickles and 12.5 peanut butter and banana sandwiches.
So although the combination of bananas and pickles, you may think he's expected, but save your shower gifts. He is here. And that's to eat as many burritos as his stomach can handle. From Aurora, Colorado, Brian Beard.
He's a 4-year competitive eating veteran making his return to the Denver Outlaws World Burrito Eating Championship. As a proud Texan, he specializes in tamales.
And as the legend foretells, Mark Bruce Messier took up the nickname as an homage to our next competitor. But Messier is a Canadian and he is a true American who has proudly served in the U.S. Marine Corps, and I am proud to introduce Alex Moose Perez.
She may be a model, but she's eaten 61 dumplings, 75 wings, and 2.5 pounds of poutine, all in competition.
Be still, my heart. She is Chanel and Louis Vuitton and Kate Spade, all wrapped up in one petite package. And when she runs down the street, often the paparazzi scream at her, "Mary, Mary, who are you wearing?" And she flashes that Hollywood smile and says, "Me, of course, I design all my own clothes." Ladies and gentlemen, number 39 in the world, Mary Bowers.
Another local Colorado eater is here tonight, here to represent the vicinity with pride. He has eaten 117 dumplings, 92 wings, and last year over 6 pounds of illegal Pete's burritos.
This is your man, Denver! He is the one who has been chosen as tribute to represent the Mile High City in battle. And he will do so with a ferocity that even Pat Nick Everett would be intimidated by. Ladies and gentlemen, number 32, Josh Miller.
He is the reigning sweet corn eating champion, having set the world record of 47 ears of corn. A sweets enthusiast, he's competitively been eating in 38 food pies, over 30 cannolis as well.
Despite all the sweets, he is a world-class athlete. He uses marathons as Sunday strolls. And he contemplated running here to the contest all the way from New York City, but he didn't because he feared he would get here too early. Ladies and gentlemen, number 11 in the world from New York City, Yasa Sela!
Our next contestant is a red eating champion, which has helped her earn the spot as number 7 in the world. After eating 10.5 pounds of illegal Pete's burritos last year, she's here to add to that burrito champion to her resume.
She is a cruiser, a rock and rolling woman. She is so tiny, and yet she eats so much. But what else would you expect from the 112-pound number 3 ranked female in the world? Ladies and gentlemen, from Tucson, Arizona, Michelle Cardboard Shell. Let's go!
Our next contestant, a Louisiana native, has consumed 2.7 pounds of crawfish and 37 dozen oysters. He's a specialist in weights and has devoured over 190 in competition.
Just when you thought you would get through an entire sports event without hearing Eye of the Tiger, think again. Just as Adrian Morgan made everyone else think again when he beat our champion in the discipline of wings. He has seen the promised land, and he will fight tooth and nail to raise his hands in victory atop the Burrito Mountain. Ladies and gentlemen, New Orleans, Louisiana's favorite son, Adrian the Rabbit Morgan. And our next competitor is your reigning and defending Denver Outlaws World Burrito Eating Champion of the world. Last year he made a world record 14¼ pounds of illegal beef burritos in just 10 minutes. He is the 8-time Nathan's Famous Hot Dog Eating Champion of the world, holding 41 eating world records. 41 world records! That's the world record for most world records. He is the greatest eater of all time, the personification of integrity, righteousness, and freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, he saved our country in its darkest hour, and he is your Denver Outlaws World Burrito Eating Champion. Let me hear it for Joey Johnson! Has no interest in losing that honor.
Come on, Dad!
Look at Michelle Lesko, ladies and gentlemen. Look at Michelle Lesko. She's magnetic. She's not really bringing the burritos to her face. They're coming to her. It's magical. So as I'm sure you guys know, Mexican cuisine is the origami. Depending on which way you fold it, you get something completely different.
Let's go!
Burritos are the most root of its forms, dense and full of ingredients, and only true competitors can competitively eat burritos, and they have to have an iron will and no fear. Look at Adrian Morgan. It's about hand speed. It's about synchronizing your tongue, your jaw, and what you're bringing into your mouth. Too much and you'll hit a wall. Not enough and you just won't hit the numbers that you need.
Yeah, so he typed it in without anybody seeing. But I was yeah. Bring your face! Come on!
Oh my God, my heart almost stopped. I thought Mary Bowers glanced at me, but a man can only take so much beauty.
Let's go!
Noah is making you proud, Outlaws fans. A dark horse in this contest. After playing a full game, he is leaving it all at the table. We're almost at the 3-minute mark here. Looks like Joey has a lead. Adrian and Michelle are not far behind, and Yash and Salem do not count him out.
Come on, Dad!
Who will go home with a glory-smeared face? Glory and money, which is surely the best of the glory.
Like
connection between athlete and food. 60 seconds! You guys have it in you! You will not just do that! I can hear you!
Brittany.
Final push, the final sprint. Trying to hold on here.
I'll throw that home.
Yeah, we share a bathroom.
30 seconds left. The jaw is growing tired. The lips are growing numb. But the stomach is staying strong. 15 seconds. I want to hear you guys give me a countdown.
Come on! 3, 2, 1.
Stop! I beat it. Hands on the moon. Wow. I do not know about you guys, but I am exhausted. But my duties are not complete. I'll be tallying the results. We will make the championship announcement momentarily. Going first, in 6th place, newcomer with 7¼ burritos, Mark Sutherberg. And then
Mom's gonna be fucking happy if he gets
three-way
money.
tie. So 3rd, 4th, and 5th, three-way tie, all with 7½ burritos, all at the same table. Josh Miller, Yasser Salem, and Michelle. One of these men is taking home $25,000, courtesy of the Denver Outlaws and Illegal Beats.
No, you're not.
With 14½ burritos.
Do all of them get money?
Joey Josh Chestnut. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending time with us. I hope you had fun. Stay in your seats. There will be a beautiful firework display coming your way. Thank you. I'm Mike Sullivan from Major League Eating. Have a great night.
I'm not ready to just hop that.